Are you annoyed by the constant stream of emails that hit your inbox every day? Your prospects could be asked the same question. In a world where every click can lead to emails, it's time to break out from under the email tsunami. Increase your productivity and peace of mind, avoiding these 10 subject line common mistakes. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, press notification bell and like button. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Want to connect? Listen, this is the realm of bold, the brave and the reckless. Such ordinary subject lines just get lost in the mass of countless unread messages. Let's move on to the second one. Unveil the secrets of unprecedented success. Oh my god, how to pronounce this word? The power of mystery. You're supposed to do so. But be careful, because the headline should tease, not puzzle. Strike a balance so the recipient doesn't get lost in the story you meant. Number 3, urgent. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. The temptation of excess. But also I would recommend you to be careful with such subject lines, because overestimating yourself only brings contempt and humor. Choose your words wisely, because the truth is often more convincing than exaggeration. The next one is my favorite. Hello, are you there? Can you hear me? This sound for me is so despair. Communicate only with confidence. Otherwise, your message will disappear in the tone of other emails. Oh, the next one is so funny, but sometimes humor is used in subject lines, so let's check. Why did the chicken cross the road? Find out inside. The power of humor works sometimes. But remember, not all your recipients appreciate this humor. Before you create subject line, try to make a research. Your subject line should match with the recipient's sensibility. Remember, the laughter should unite, not divide. The next one, about that thing we discussed. Is it an intrigue? Incomplete thoughts only serve to confuse and puzzle and frustrate. Lay bare your intentions, for clarity is the key to captivating attention. Number 7. Last year's success story and an exciting opportunity this year. Seems like a chronological riddle. Avoid perplexing your recipients with temporal leaps. Smoothly guide them through your story. Next one is something that I usually get on LinkedIn. I know you're busy, but please spare a moment. The virtue of empathy. Yet, do not belittle yourself. As I said before, employ respect and admiration instead. Your strengths can inspire response. The next one is biggest sale of the year. Or is it? And the main thing here is capitalizing. Capitalizing every single word. Are you okay? Save your recipient from the visual pressure of screaming text. Emphasize with thought, not excessive volume. And the last one, unlocking the secrets of prosperity in 5 sacred steps. ChatGPT text. If close the eyes to AI text, I would say be careful, for mysticism without meaning falls apart. Offer value, guidance, and wisdom, for true insight lies within. Armed with this knowledge, may your words dance, enchant, and provoke the minds of your recipients, leading to calls and deals. I found some stats that 2-word email subject line have find some stats that emails with two-word subject lines get? I found some stats that two-word email subject line gets 65% reply rate than 5+ word subject lines. What do you think about it? Let's have a look at some examples. What would you reply to? Need more qualified meetings or meeting quality question? Let's discuss in the comments below what do you feel more comfortable with. Today's secrets lay hidden only for those brave enough to seek them. See you in the next video.